Hello and welcome to the next class on airport utility. This one is going to be saving our settings. So we've made our airport work perfectly, and maybe we want to edit some settings and we don't want to screw things up royally and then wonder how to get back. Or maybe we're concerned about we might have to replace this airport at some time, but we want it to be the same settings. Because there are a lot of settings we can add to this airport later on to give it different security stuff and give it the option to only share certain IP addresses and things like that. Now what we're going to do is we do need to go into the setup phase. Once we're here, we can actually go File and Export the configuration file. And this is by default it wants to save it as the airport this one is, which isn't a horrible idea. Or maybe you can call this the main one. That way if you had to replace one of the three you might have, you know which one you're doing. And even encrypt the passwords for more security. Don't need to do that. So I'm just going to go, testing, and save it in the documents. And now that's it. It's done. So if we go into our documents folder, here's the base figure config file. Now if we messed around with a lot of other settings, like we went to the advanced setting, we changed this stuff because we wanted to see what it does, and we screwed things up royally, we could go File, Import Configuration File. There it is. We open it, and it will import it and change all the settings to this, and allow us to update the not the iPod, but the airport to those settings, and it will put it back to how it was. So it's a great thing to do if you're going to try to get goofy with a lot of these settings, is to back it up first. So that's how you save it. Thank you very much for watching the Mac Idea of the Day.